This is the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier. So I'm gonna unbox it. Pretty large box. But pretty easy to open up. Wow. I think I opened it the wrong way. Like opposite.
2 very boring minutes later.
Okay, this is the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Lite or Lite, depend how you pronounce it. I'll call it whatever you want. And there it is, Russian. Interesting. Never thought I would see Russian on a Xiaomi product. And my most important thing, yeah, the whole thing. Okay, another side. It shows how it works and the effective in capturing 0.3 microns particles. Yeah, so if your house has pad, yeah, this is very useful to deal with that. Pollen, cigarette smoke, odor, PM 2.5. Yeah, it's 3 layers. Yeah, carbon fiber, high efficiency filter, primary filter. So the suggestion is change the filter for every 6 to 12 months. I think I'm gonna change it every 12 months. Yeah. The filter itself, you can find third party, which is cheaper than the first party, of course, but at least like 40% cheaper. So the third party is like around 70 something bucks, ringgit, Malaysia. And the official one can cost up to like, I think 120. Or 100 to 120, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's pretty expensive. A big difference. Okay, I'll open the top part. Yeah, this video is mainly just unboxing and setup. Okay, you have power brake. Yeah, unfortunately the power system is not built into the air purifier. It's separated. Yeah, it's a bit annoying. Yeah, this thing is huge. It's not heavy, but it's huge. Yeah, if built-in will be looks better, save more space. Okay, they have this. Okay, you get your super thick manual instruction guide in multiple languages. How to set up, yeah, how to change the filter, etc. Yeah, I think I just do it this way. Oh yeah, the other side. Got to show it, the box. Yeah, it's more features that you get. It's actually not that heavy. Yeah, pretty lightweight. Okay. Whoa, looks pretty good. This is the LED display and the air filter intake. Lots of holes here. And the fan on top. Look at that. And what is this? Okay. Before you turn on the air purifier, you need to remove the packaging first. So the way you do it is by pushing the side. There's two, like, push up, like a button, push in, and then you take it out. Okay, upwards. Super easy. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, that's the mechanism they designed. You take it out. That filter. This is the original normal filter. There's a antibacterial filter you can purchase, but that one is more expensive than the regular one. And this whole thing, right, you can wash it with water because there's no electronic components here. It's just plastic, so you can wash the whole thing with water without any problem. Yeah, no worries. Cut it through. Yeah, remember to unpack the plastic bag before you turn on. This is very important. Okay, inside, that's it. Until you hear the click sound. That's it. That's very simple, right? Pack the power brake or adapter. This is the European style 2-pin plug. I was hoping like they can give the Malaysian or UK style 3-pin plug. That's a better one, grounded to the earth or something, because you got a third one. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of this kind of plug. Yeah, I don't know why they don't do that. Alright. Okay, you can see that's the plug point. So you put it here. I think it's about 1 meter length for the cable, the power adapter. Yeah, it's not non-detachable. Okay, I move it to my room now. As you can see, the power brick itself is so huge, man, that I have to move my phone charger to another side, because this thing, look at that, blocked another plug there. Yeah, so it's huge, and it's not long enough for me to put at the ideal spots. So this is the maximum I can do. All right. Anyways, this is the power button. This is the mode changing button, like more like touch surface. Yeah, it's not a button. All right. And the plug point here, and this is where you change the brightness of the LED display. Let's turn on. Okay, you hear the beep sound, so let's turn on right now. Okay, look at that. That's the LED light. And let me peel it off. The screw protector, I guess. It seems like my air quality in my room is not that bad. Okay, let's see. This is the auto mode. This is the night mode. And this is the favorite mode or menu mode. So you just have to touch this to change 3 different modes, and you get the thermometer and then the humidity meter all built in. Of course, you can connect the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Lite to your phone by using their Mi Home apps. Connect it with Bluetooth, and you can set up, change the setting here and there by using your phone. So you don't need to come here and press, like touch it, the control here. You can just lay on your bed and then use your phone to control it. Yeah, so right now it's pretty quiet for the auto mode. Okay, so for the manual mode or favorite mode, it's about 70 decibels. Hey Lamau, silly me, as I was reviewing my footage, I noticed that the part where I testing the noise level, I forgot that my microphone is on the noise cancelling mode. So no wonder I hear nothing from the air purifier for it. Yeah, so this is a reshot. Let me click the mode to manual mode or favorite mode. Okay, right now this is favorite mode. So as you can hear, right, this is the default fan speed for the favorite mode. Of course, you can change the fan speed on your apps. You're using your phone, the Mi Home app, to your desired fan speed. Yeah, later I will show you guys how to do that. Because when you sleep, you don't turn on the favorite mode, you choose the night mode, so it will be very quiet. The night mode is around like 33 decibels, according to the official one. My Apple Watch is not working when it's in night mode and auto mode. It just wouldn't detect it. So this is how it sounds like. The fan is spinning here. Okay, matte finish. I like it. I like how it feels, like the texture of it. Thank God it's not glossy finish. Xiaomi logo here. The air filter, the hole here is okay. To adjust the brightness, just go to this button. Now this is real button, it's not a touch button. Okay, physical button. So I'm gonna press 1 time. Okay, slightly dimmer. Second time, turn it off. Okay, so there's only 2 settings. Alright, so I moved my Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Lite to my living room. So tested out the apps. So this is the Xiaomi Home app. You need to download this to connect to your air purifier. Okay, so you press the plus button here, add device, turn on your Bluetooth. Okay, yes, turn on the Bluetooth. Immediately it found it. It only supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so I need to switch it to that Wi-Fi. Next, we'll blur it out. Connect the device to the network. Yeah, connected successfully. Very nice. I'm gonna choose bedroom. Next. Don't share for now. Don't prompt. Agree. And voila! It's already connected to my phone. You can turn off from here. Alright, you hear that? Turn it on. Okay. And there's 3 different modes. Sleep, manual. Yeah, from the manual, you can adjust the speed. Okay. As you can see, you can look at the coverage. The higher fan speed, the more coverage you have. Right? Maximum is 46 meters square. Filters 100% remaining. 291 days remaining. So when this reaches 0%, you need to change it immediately. Yeah, it's not reusable. You can clean it, but it's advised to change the filter because of the bacteria, the virus. You can clean the dust from the filter, but you can't clean the bacteria, right? So change it after remaining days finish. Alright. Automation. Okay, you can schedule when to turn on automatically. Yeah, so that's about it. More setting here from the 3 dots here. Screen brightness, you can dim, off or on. Child lock, notification sound can turn off. So right now should be no noise. Okay, no noise anymore. It's pretty loud. So turning off that notification sound. And right out of the box, you get a firmware update. Fix bugs. Okay, let me update it. Yeah, it will take some time to download and install. Be right back. Okay, already updated successfully. I thought it will restart. Nothing happened. You just update while the machine is still on. Nice. Okay, that's it. So that's all the setting you can do with your Xiaomi home apps. Okay, pretty simple apps, very convenient. You don't need to come all the way from your sofa and then come here and click the touch button again. Alright, that's it. That's how you use the apps. So that's why, guys, this is the end of the video. This is the whole entire unboxing and the setup, how you set up the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Lite. And that I definitely will do a review video on this, hopefully soon. Remember to click a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment, share this video to your friends and family. Let me know what do you think about this Xiaomi Air Purifier 4 Lite. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.